Alright, hello YouTube land. So, 09 Charger update, Portsmouth PD. So, she's back from Macco, and it could have been better. Could have been worse. Yes, it's the exact same car. The colors really came out quite nice actually. I am finding some issues. I gotta fix that one sec. I did also fix the door locks on the inside, but I kept a few of the old parts, like the pull unlock right there. There it goes. And you can see there is some white there, so Macco is going to be touching that up. You can see it like real down there. But all in all, I'm quite pleased with it. Still in the middle of depolicing it. I got a little overspray here, I just noticed. Ooh, what the fuck's up with that? What the fuck? Okay, maybe not that much. Yeah, you can see more white there. So, Macco stories are partially true. I have added on a rear spoiler / wing. They put the Charger badge in the wrong location, which is pretty funny, but I'm not sure if I like it or hate it, but I'll decide a little bit later on. Bumper alignment is negligible. You can see where I was hit partially. But yeah, she is looking incredible though. What the fuck is this? Okay, I have no idea what the fuck caused that, but I'm kind of pissed. Not even a scrape. It's like someone walked past it when it was wet. It's weird. So, we put in new headlights. They forgot to put the turn signal bulbs in thrice actually. First time, reported it. Charles told them one of the bulbs was bad on the running lights. They replaced it. Still forgot to do the turn bulbs, and I just ended up saying fuck it and put it in my own one. Have a nice updated push bar here, which I don't know how the hell I got these marks already. I haven't pushed anything with it yet. The siren is still installed, which I will remove later on. Again, we got some paint smeared there. Hood has a few little weird lines. I'm not sure if they'll show up. So I got Old Glory right there, and I'm not sure if you saw I put one in the back there. Yeah, this is holy shit. The more I look, the worse it gets. I guess the old stories about Macco are true. So what's next for the Charger after the repaint? The wife gets it because she says she wants it. That's the end of that. You know the old saying, happy wife, happy life. They also have some overspray on my windows a little bit. These ones I think they wiped it. Oof. How do they get paint? Never mind. I'm ignore that right now. Yes, I didn't get the inside trim because I was cheap, but I'm not gonna spend a multi-$100 paint job. Sorry, multi-$1,000 paint job for my wife's first car, which is gonna be scratched up and beaten by her. I do have a few more updates. Dog bolts for the rims. I'm trying to find the right lug nut size. I thought I bought them. Not these ones, another set. But they didn't. Yeah, that looks nice. Can't wait to do that. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah. So I replaced put the dash cam in here, Rexing M1, which was pretty nice to install. Gotta replace the seats next. Life is too short. These things are too busted in. Haven't put that many miles on it, but this is the Rexing. Ooh, hello, flashing screen. You can see the date right there. I'm on duty, so I'm in uniform. I've also put in the new wheel and light. Wife won't be using it, but I know I will. She won't be driving this thing during bad weather. I'll be dropping her off again. That's just kind of how we do it. Don't mind the cable here. I'm working on that. I'm ordering the internal kit to come in. Oh yeah, like I mentioned, the doors. I also plugged the holes in the floor now. I got tired of seeing it. There's a giant hole there, so I just plugged it with some tape and some glue. Now, I'm still battling to figure out why the windows won't go up and down here. That's annoying, but at least I can now open the doors. Oh, look at that. They didn't even put in the goddamn trim all the way. Huh. Well, I'm doing the job for them now. Ugh. I'm curious to know if just, yeah, that ain't going in. Fuck it. Okay. It's gonna see him again tomorrow. Once this has been done, yeah, not much. I already showed you guys the cage removal. The headliner's still dirty. I'm gonna work on that later. I gotta figure out the dimming lights in here, why they won't work. Got a Sierra port back here now. She's gonna be up for cleaning once she's all fixed, but yeah. It's dirty. Wait, back up camera. So there's that right there. It's not the prettiest, but it works right now. I'll design it a little better once I do a little more to it. But next issue. Ugh. Trunk still won't work right. So remember before I could push the button and it would pop up all the way. Now it doesn't do that anymore. Ew, that scraping noise was not that happy. Now, they didn't put the skid plate on yet. I don't know why. I took out the spare because it was just doing some cleaning. That was a goddamn coyote. How about that? I'm not sure what the heck's up with trunk though. I think it's hitting it right there. And I also didn't put the wing on the right spot, but it's just a little bit off. But look, it's, yeah, I don't know. I think it's hitting right there. We'll get more on that. I have to oh, come on. You get up here. Sort of guys, I think won't close anymore. I'm gonna be pissed. There it goes. Okay. That's pretty annoying, and there's more holiday lines right there. Trunk is, yeah, it's not very well aligned. Yeah, the more I look, now I'm doing video, the more I'm seeing shit which is not right. But we're making progress. We're making progress. I'm actually surprised they painted the filler hole there. That's might be a failure, but what the fuck is that? Oh, whatever. There's still tape up here. Yeah, paint on the black. What the fuck, Mako? Come on. I'll give you guys the benefit of the doubt. Okay, here you can see the overspray. That's fun. Oh well, Monday goes back in again. I'm just gonna have him go over the entire thing. Look at the headlights though, they look a little bit far in there. Yeah, this is where we're at right now. Figured I'd do a little update. Beautiful day for this though. Birds singing, coyotes are howling. Rich white assholes playing golf. And the beach is right there. But yeah, on that note, I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and expect like maybe 2 or 3 more videos on this girl. And probably a 1-year ownership. Yeah, thanks for watching.